The future of accountancy: real-time business decision makers. Did you know accountancy will be assisted with real-time business decision makers in a way where the financial data will be driven by insights based on artificial intelligence? Even though accountancy and finance are taken into the same subject and they are both underrated, it is the accounting data and the financial statements in the end that decides the fate of a company by providing forecasting and budgeting or any other data governed by a defined set of practices. Well-tailored data takes shape from each basic transactions, separates into general ledgers, gets into a raw data, and becomes into a report that goes directly to the management. It takes enormous amount of time and teamwork to prepare a management report or a final financial statement, and making it look appealing takes another part. When it comes to the future of finance or accounting, people always would say everything will be automated in the end, which is not entirely true. While some parts can be automated, most of the detailed bits that require control cannot be done automatically. Financial accounting records, summarizes, and reports the flow of transactions and economic activity generated by business operations across time, and produces a set of official business statements, which includes the balance sheets, income statement, forecasts, budgets, and these financial statements are then utilized to make final decisions by corporate executives, investors, lenders, shareholders, and stakeholders. What is real-time accounting? Real-time accounting describes the process of updating the ledgers or books all the time. Utilizing this type of accounting gives you the benefits of an easily accessible dashboard where your entire company can view all the metrics, forecasts, and insights. Real-time reporting keeps you updated on revenue, account balances, stock analysis, and profit or loss. It reveals cash flow analysis and eliminates any human errors resulting from manual data entry or manual journals. And the automatic method enables you to easily extract the data and make more informed decisions because the real-time accounting automates processes and ensures the financial information is always accurate. In other words, the primary difference between these traditional accounting methods and real-time accounting is the amount of insight the customer receives about their financial status. As an instance, with traditional accounting, a customer wouldn't have access to previous month's reports until next month's middle. But with real-time accounting that comes with reporting, the customer has access to the previous month's data throughout the entire month. What are the challenges of real-time accounting and reporting? The answer would simply be data integration. When the data integration implemented incorrectly or managed improperly, real-time reporting will have adverse effects on the company's financial health and will give wrong forecast. Real-time reporting uses several sources to pool data and infer insights. While the completeness of the data has obvious benefits, such as real-time accounting and continuous auditing, it comes with challenges. On the other hand, there would be scalability and the costs as the business grows. You need more readily available access to real-time accounting and reporting. This can bring up unnecessary costs and then hinder the bottom line. And to avoid this, digital accounting solutions should be considered as they are essential in today's business environment. The challenge many companies face is how to approach these digital accounting solutions. Every business desires faster insight into their financial health. Real-time reporting acts as an access point for this increased effectiveness and flexibility. Real-time accounting, data collection, and query resolution can take place in a matter of minutes or even seconds for your clients. There is no waiting around, no data entry, and no paperwork. They make it simple to capture process and share all financial information instantly. When it comes to measuring the business KPIs in real-time accounting and reporting, it allows the firms, which are mostly accounting firms or fintechs, to ramp up their productivity and advisory skills greatly. The use of tools such as real-time dashboards, scorecards, scoreboards, and a robust list of connectors give you better visibility of business circles and its future, which lets you adjust and align the short-term or long-term objectives and identify areas which are doing well and those that require some attention. With real-time accounting, you can get them daily, hourly, or even immediate updates on the kinds of cash flows and forecasts they can expect soon. Accordingly, you can plan for working capital for your clients. Real-time data also always allows you to assess the possible impact of different external and internal forces on your client businesses, which again can help them prepare in advance for additional cash flow requirements. As mentioned before, final financial statements will decide the fate of the company, thus deciding the fate of economy. And with the correct tools and decision makers, we can agree on the fact that the future of accountancy is bright as ever. Thank you for listening. Bye.